portal is a very innovative concept developed by NIC. The very purpose is to give anytime, anywhere access to the citizens of India, not only for the citizens of India, for anyone else who wants authentic information about the service of the government, all the government sites, so that they know that they are entering the right place, right addresses, and they're getting the right information delivered to them.
It's one of the mission mode projects under the National E-Governance program, and it represents the virtual face of e-governance in the country.
Through this, we'll be able to achieve a transparent and efficient system. It also facilitates participatory approach by which citizens can interact with the government agencies, providing their views and the comments on various services which are being provided by government. It is a single point place by which people can interact with all faces of the government.
What we are doing now, we are collaborating. Nearly 5,000 government sites are now hooked up to the national portal. So in fact, all the government organizations which are servicing the citizens can be accessed in this one single portal.
सर मुझे एक्चुअली में कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट के लिए अप्लाई करना था. मुझे किसी ने नेशनल पोर्टल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट के बारे में बताया मुझे किसी ने. तो सर मैंने जाके फिर मैं रिलेवेंट साइट खोली, चेक करा मैंने. तो सर उसमें सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टेप बाय स्टेप दे रखी थी. तो उनको डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए क्या दे रखा था. सबसे अच्छी बात है उसमें फॉर्म भी दे रखा था सर. मैंने उसमें फॉर्म डाउनलोड किया वहीं पर ही और सबमिट करके जमा करा दिया.
I have applied for the passport. I have downloaded all the application forms from the India portal. Now I'm really surprised that I can get all the status of my passport online.
We have to worry not just about enabling the service but also creating access, because access in a country like India, especially in the rural areas, is a big issue, and one of the great beneficiaries of e-governance, contrary to popular perception, is the rural areas, provided one can ensure the availability of services in the rural areas.
The communication system is reaching a very new corner of the country. Community information center or a private kiosk which are being created by which the individual is able to access. So a citizen who is located there in a particular rural corner of the country wants to get something about 12th class examination results, he should be able to access. That means he can walk in this particular center, get the information which he is looking for.
मैं एक्चुअली कंपार्टमेंट हुआ था. हमें इसके लिए हम बहुत चिंता हो रही थी, जिसके बाद मैं कंप्यूटर देखने के लिए आई. कंप्यूटर में देखने के लिए आई. देखने के बाद वो पास हो गया था. मुझे बहुत अच्छी खुशी हो रही है.
I checked national portal, that is the India portal, and I had a very easy way to check my 10th class CBSE results, and I got it very easily.
हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें एक असाइनमेंट दिया था जिसमें हमें इंडिया के नेशनल फ्लैग, बर्ड और एनिमल की पिक्चर्स चिपकानी थी, एंड हमें बताया गया था कि इस साइट में ये सब मिल जाएगा. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर्स मिली, एंड मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को इस साइट से बहुत अच्छी ई ग्रीटिंग्स भी भेजी.
पोर्टल इज मेंट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. Be it a farmer in a far-flung village, he can get mandi prices. Be it a student, a school student anywhere in India or even abroad, he can access his exam results almost instantly when it's announced. Citizens can access their passport status. They can even get access to their land records in some of the states, and even they can register under the Employment Guarantee Act of Government of India.
फायदा ये है सर, जैसे पास की मंडी में रेट तेज है तो चलो गाड़ी वहाँ भेज दी, कभी अगर वहाँ दूसरी जगह डाउन है तो वहाँ से मंगा भी ली. ये रेट सारे मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे.
म सधैँ आउँछु यहाँ सब्जी लागि, भाउ सोध्नु लागि. म खेतीवाला हो, अरू ठाउँ त जान्न, मै नै आइरहन्छु. कसरी हो के हो त्यति लागि म आउँछु.
While we were designing the portal, be its architecture, be it the way we have written the content, or way we have organize the whole content, citizen has been the key consideration behind the portal.
This portal caters to 3 specific customers. One is the citizen itself, the second is the businessman, third is non-resident Indian or whoever wants to visit India. As far as the businessman is concerned, whoever wants to start a business, this portal will provide you various mechanisms of procedures that are available in each of the states.
When I was trying to start a new venture of my own, I was totally blank. Then I visited India portal, which helps me a lot. It tells how to proceed with central excise, with sales tax, with company registration. Even I got online tutorial
which helps step-by-step procedure how to start a new venture.
India Portal is something which is so huge and such an aggregation of all the things that happen in India that in many ways it reminds me of the country. It's a large, diverse and yet integrated. It puts together information about everything possible, and to businessmen both in the country and outside who want to know something about the latest policies, about regulations, about where do I go for what is the process and procedure. So to me this is an amazing way of really opening up India to India and indeed to the world, and I look at the India Portal as an exciting and a massive job which the NIC team has put together as something which is, I think, a great achievement.
The India Portal really is a point at which a single window to all of these services becomes visible and available. The government aims at setting up 100,000 physical access points for all government services in an integrated manner in 100,000 villages. In effect, this means that all villages will have access to these services by about the end of 2007, because each common service center is intended to serve a ring of 6 villages around it. So in that manner 600,000 villages of the country would get access.
In fact, NIC has done a remarkable job of developing this portal. It's very easy because I think within 4 or 5 clicks you will definitely reach your desired site. In this way we are in fact paving the roadmap for national e-governance services to follow through. And in fact, National Portal will be one of the major portals which will offer a variety of e-governance services for the citizens of India, anywhere, anytime.